president, no almost say, on your correct for Ghana. Almost the same yama when the dad it's not good for Ghana. Almost DSika, almost DSA. And then Nkrumah sorry, was this guy come Gabon? Was this guy come say Nkrumah person who the president to we are seeing now? Nkrumah person ye dictator. Nkrumah ye say can nyame dia. And I be for yeah. Okay, the chef free phenomena nanom. Avram the on count cause on no your man frafo or be frame the tomuni on kaye. Ghana my motherland, in your fatherland. Into on fan the kwasi yan kwa ma mikro. Say Jimmy boy no Avram no. But down for Ghana ni awunya Ghana ni wunya Ghana ni Ghana na ayefo e na ya ji awo ho abetenam na nka wo kwase asa utumi koso chaos for Ghana abuo bi te se wo sa na Jimmy to te se wo sa na abuo mu abuo te se wo sa common sense nutrition wa pampa so for no wo abuo bi sa na nka who are you to even come and tell how Ghana should run their stuff? Just say Ghana my motherland, not fatherland. The war ya unya gbeni land so nyambo Jimmy ni asiakwa Sakwasiana, Mujina wa, Mudi influencing Crofoso Munko Jimino. It was the same tactics they used. Mugana Mebru Nusu Bisumajin Jimmy Dodo. Ada Zomino Dos Wamajinum. Read the history of Ghana. Kotoka, when Kotoka came, he told the Ghanaian people, say, this was what they told Ghanaians. Say, a young Nkrumah in the ministers near the Adeno, they were chopping the party's money. As a matter of fact, they were trying to make Ghana a one-state party. Ya can say same way enough and Nkrumah home. Say omo no omo ba, omo betumi ada Ghana ye. Na me bisa wo babu na wo hwe me nese. Ye tu Nkrumah na Ghana ye. Omo say Nkrumah aye corrupt, Nkrumah wieska, Nkrumah ye ni papa, Nkrumah ye say na nu nti omo tu Nkrumah no. Kotoka no mo ba ye na dia no mo de break Ghana for. Mama ye. Katache Jimmy Afrifa Bama when you neja wadwene wo down for come and tell us after Nkrumah what Kotoka and them brought to us. What did they give us? And then they are to us after Nkrumah. Nkrumah the state farming by. And you want Jimmy for no kwasi asem say ya mu ye ya. And the me bi mu nya kukuduro e ko infiltrate amino etu Nkrumah. Mo say Nkrumah ye kan nyame abodan for mo you ungrateful. Ungrateful fools. All the things the country and freedom fighter money now more from A to Z and nobody that believes in you. You don't have a mind of your own. You are crying for utility no pampa so Nkrumah. Now we are free say and you bottom for me to someone no kwasi asema mu ye na ma ye ditu Nkrumah. The two Nkrumah e ko say. Ye two Nkrumah no e ko say. Did Kotoka and his people, did the Igbo people of our country turn Ghana to what? Glory land? Kotoka was a Igbo man. I thought I am almost like before no. I am one kakra. Mama, you use some of the deep on it. Kusa, I am the Ghana, and now I'm going to number the Muslim. Adai. Yes, you are cool over tonight, baby Jim. Cooperativo. Why? The dama, what there's a would be beer, cool, Jimmy Samana. And you wonder why your place is underdeveloped. You wonder why Volta region always gets underdeveloped because the people they are not using their brains. Yentu Nkrumengu no, Yetu Nkrumah no, me pobi abeka tem se Kotoka 10 Ghana into heaven. Like I said, today's show is very important to me than any show I have done. Because the time has come for the truth to be told to the youth. Safa page in the review. And share the page. Sometimes sometimes we have to talk. Sorry, and I stand for a tribe. I stand for the most tribalistic people in Ghana are Voltarians. The most tribalistic people in Ghana are votarians because we know another kiosk or the qualified the kiosk was a job because of NDC they free the chrome. You go and vote for NDC and they leave you out. You go and they leave you out. Nanka party and Kamo to Aba Padema NDC. Shouldn't and NDC has been in power more. Shouldn't your region be the best developed region? But I know any ungratefulness I will vote region for Mutributi. The Akufoya man were training. I must have to abet MP before. Oh, because your boss and what you say, hey, a camp party, hey, a Santifor party. Otumfor said to way, and since he woke up, no, or the army, Abaho. Has he brought army to the voter region to come and capture all people there? No, Lawyer Bafo, sometimes, no, these people, the truth has to be told. Lawyer Bafo, me pedipa bako or no, or ya Santini, I want to know, Kojina, and a friend is saying, Assemblyman for voter region. Hey, let me not tell to Crada. Me pass Santini bako, I also no, why MC and why BB, sir, oh, voter region order. Most of them be generating a Santifor party, a Santifor party. A bottom for my junior Juma. A bottom for my junior Juma. Kotokano be catching and say, Sebi. Nkrumah was a bad leader. And Umutu Nkrumah. Date in the Guano, National Liberation Council, 1966 to 1969. Ike Kutuka. Where's Sukobo? Say new where Ghana history. And then because you have no. And then because you have some coupon, I do your mind. Or my papa say. Not say instead of us say, you better tighten your few things together. You to me more mine and to my pefrano. And crophobia funo munquas, you did your person who didn't know. You press garnish. Now, Jimmy Fonda, your chairman, oh, a jack Ghana, you better where you stand. Kwasia, who passport to crowd the Coco Divoire, who nibi, and Jimmy Fourway, Cassa, no do work with him. And Jimmy Four say, yeah, now do work with him, and the pay or cop. Ghana, the poo, yeah, two cop. Where? Wa wonum tramo na wo ene tramo kura wonum ye you obi na todema wo ni sika no wo be de adwane ye be ku sa akoko ye be ku sa boa Abraham Bemo said to me say we shall go to the ghettos and raise the youth to fight against the government because he said no we did not all in the name of them fighting for the youth. Where were they? (1969) to 1970. Another coup, General Frifa. Dr. Kofi Abrefe Bizia, Progress Party. Ono so ba mu. And I abuzi aban ya. And abuzi aban. And I say kra there. Milk cry nya bi nom. And abuzi aban say. And abuzi aban atete. And abuzi aban. And abuzi aban. And abuzi. There was so many things they said about abuzi aban. And omutu abuzi aban. And omutu abuzi aban.